Hey guys, so this is Ashwal here. This is going to be my first video that I'm going to start. So as you see, I'm a enthusiast rider. So I've got a Bullet Classic 350, the Lagoon Blue. So this is always my dream ride. Bullet was always my dream ride. So as it was my birthday gift. So I had got this helmet, as you can see, the Royal Enfield. This is what I got with the bike, the open face helmet. So I have been using this for almost 3 months, as it is 3 months is my bike's age, as it's almost exactly 3 months in tomorrow. So it's my third 3-month birthday for my bike. So yeah, so and I wasn't comfortable with the open face, the dust on the face. That is one big issue. Dust is extreme in Bangalore, and something comfortable. And this helmet used to fly off from my head when I go up to 80, 90 itself. Not even 80, 90, 60, 70. It goes out of my head. So not a good one. So what I did, upgraded to this new one. So I thought, let me start up my video channel with an helmet, the safest riding gear. As you guys know, the most safest thing is the helmet, because your head is the most important thing. And compared to your riding gears, your jackets, just the elbow and knee guards, most of them is fine. Even if you get an accident, you might recover, but not with this. So choosing the best helmet is always the best option. So I've researched a lot. Trust me guys, I've been researching for almost a month or so, checking online, talking to my co-riders, my friends, everyone, and I finally found this. Perfect for your budget, perfect for your pocket, perfect size, and perfect color. For me it was a perfect color, but there are a lot of color ranges. You guys can go check it out. And I bought this helmet in the store which is called the Orion Motors. It's located at Koramangala, opposite to the Forum exit, and it's close to the Royal Enfield showroom. As you guys know, there's a Royal Enfield showroom in Koramangala. It's right next to that. It's close to. I'll put the location in the description. And let's start. Let's see this. So yeah, this is the new empty symbol, and you guys can see it has 2 years warranty, and it's the polycarbonate shell, and worldwide warranty for 2 years. So this is the box that you'll be getting. So what I've got is the TARGO model. It's L size. For me it's L. I'll let you know how to find the perfect size too. And its exact cost is 5,750. So guys, and one more thing, you can also get this helmet from spartangears.com and various stores, but I would recommend, what I would recommend is you go to the store, try it on. Touch and feel experience is the best feeling to buy anything, guys. Trust me, just go to the store, wear it, and try it. Okay, so let's see. So let's unbox. So yeah. So guys, this is the protective cover that you get with the helmet. Very good quality, and the worst part with most of the riders, even though it's the favorite helmet, we are a little careless with our helmets. If we keep it somewhere, or we just leave it around, and by mistake it falls, there are chances to get scratches. So it's always safe to put this case on and always carry it around you when you're not using it. So it will protect your helmet. You're gonna put your money on it, so it's always to keep it safe, right? So let's take it out. So yeah, as you can see, this is the empty TARGO, the fluorescent yellow and fluorescent match yellow. So yes, even this you'll have the price written. So as you guys know, this visor is a polycarbonate lens. It's anti-scratch, 2 mm thickness and quick release. I'll show you guys. If you guys can see here, you just have to pull this thing on both the sides. You can easily take it out, and you can replace it with any other visor. This is the stock visor, this is the transparent one, so you can replace it with different colors. And let me show you the air vents in this. So as you can see, you just open and close to the air vents in front. On top, same, open, close, and on outlet is this. You guys can see this side. It has very good airflow. Empty helmets is always trust to buy, guys. Trust me, it's a very good brand, and as you can see, it is DOT and ECE approved. So this is the model, empty TARGO tone. That's the latest ever edition. And let's take this out. Can you hear it, guys? The feeling is amazing. So yes, this is it. So this is the transparent visor that you get. So you get different levels of opening it, and once you close, you have the lock. You see that? I'll show it again. That's the lock, and you also have the nose guard here, which protects you from the dust and stuff. And guys, the shell design is amazing. I'll show you the close-up. You see it? The shell design is beautiful, guys. Trust me, this is a very good helmet. You know, and even you have the reflectors on the guards here, so then, you know, late night when you're riding, it's gonna show you on the road. So, and I got this color only because, you know, at late night when you're riding on your trip and you're not visible, that's a very bad thing. You know, you might reach an accident. So this can help you out. And for the helmet fittings, so yeah. So what you guys have to do is take your inch tape and take it around your forehead, exactly here, and see what's the length, compare it with the chart, and see if your size is S, M, or XL, double XL. Empty helmet, you get it from XS to XL range, so you can get any size. Trust me, guys, you'll find the perfect helmet. And whenever you're wearing a helmet, see to it, you know, the paddings touch your cheeks properly. So it shouldn't be loose, it shouldn't be very tight, it should be perfect to you, you know, it shouldn't move your head. So imagine you're going around the speed of 100, 120, there are chances people go up to 150. So even at that speed, your helmet should not wobble. So that's how you find your perfect fitting. So just put your inch tape around your forehead, check your length, check it with the chart, and see what's your size. Get the perfect helmet. And what else to tell? Guys, I'm just impressed with this helmet, guys. It's just amazing. And so let me wear it and show you guys how it looks. And one more, it is the lock system is a double D-ring, as you can see. It's the safest, guys. It's the safest. It's not gonna come out when you have an accident. In case if you have an accident, it's not gonna come out. Trust me, it's amazing. So guys, you can see it. The paddings are comfortable. The paddings are very comfortable. You know, when you're buying, make sure, you know, the helmet fitting is tight. You know, my cheek and the paddings are tight. Perfect. So guys, and let me show you how to use the D-ring. So you have the strap and you have the D-rings here. So put the strap, as you guys can see, this is a strap. Put it inside both the rings. Pull it as tight as you want. Take this ring which has a strap, put inside that, tighten it, and you'll have the clip, and you'll have a clip here. Attach it to it. See, done. It's fit hard. It's not gonna remove. So that's one of the very safest lock systems that you will have for helmet. And guys, if you have any queries or any other questions about the helmet, later on I'll be uploading a video with the helmet after using it for a month. I'll be giving you a review about it again. So any queries, any questions, just leave it in the comment box below. And hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up.